Are you ready to revolutionize your shopping experience? In this tutorial, we will explore how to use your Wise digital card in store without needing a physical card. Whether you are traveling or just prefer the convenience of digital payments, this guide will make your life easier. What is the Wise digital card? The Wise digital card is a virtual card linked to your Wise account that allows you to make contactless payments directly from your smartphone. It's perfect for those who want to avoid carrying a physical card while enjoying the benefits of low conversion fees and mid market exchange rates. Actionable steps to use your Wise digital card in store. Step 1 or set up your Wise digital card. Ensure you have the latest version. Log in, access your account, create your digital card. Tap on the card section, select Get your digital card to generate the virtual card. Step 2. Choose your wallet. You can use Apple Pay or Google Pay. Add the card. Follow the prompts in the app to link your Wise digital card to your mobile wallet. Step 3. At checkout, look for contactless payment terminals. Tap and go. Simply tap your phone or smartwatch on the terminal to complete your purchase. Bonus tips. Always check if the store accepts contactless payments. You can have up to 3 digital cards at once, making it easy to manage different spending needs. Using a Wise digital card in store is not only convenient but also secure and cost effective. With just few simple steps, you can enjoy seamless shopping without the hassle of carrying a physical card. So next time you are out of shopping, remember that your phone is always and all you need. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tech tips and happy shopping.